Well, I was just about to say, I have no idea how the plow is going to plow all this crap out of here. Well, when he might show up, and lo and behold, right next door, there he is. Hopefully, I'm next. I was just about to walk out to the car, get some bird food, but I've decided here's what the house looks like at the moment. This is a heck of a mess. Must have about 24 inches of snow here at least. I'm thinking probably more than that. There's my truck. There's the plow guy. And hopefully okay, maybe this will give some idea how deep the snow is here. I'll walk out into the snow. And this will give some idea how deep it is. As you can see, it's about 2 inches over my knee. Actually, I keep my foot down a little further, it's about 4 inches over my knee. So, we got some serious snow here. I should be doing a piece for the Weather Channel. Anyway, trudging back. Well, you'll be running any marathon of this stuff.